The Traxxas Slash. First introduced in 2008, the Slash has left a long and storied impression on many an RC basher. Now myself, not coming from the bashing world, has never owned a Slash. I don't know what all the fuss is about, if I'm honest. Today we're going to try to answer that. We're going to determine how tough the Traxxas Slash really is with the all-new Traxxas Raptor. Will it hold up? I've got 4 3S 5000 mAh packs at the ready to see how far we can push the durability of the Slash. Let's find out together, shall we?
Well, it's kind of anticlimactic, but we broke it. But I don't think it's us that broke it. I think what ended up happening was we broke the ESC. Everything was going fine, and then everything wasn't going fine. I thought it was voltage cutoff, so we switched batteries. That didn't change anything. Went back, and it's just not working. Just getting flashing lights and unhappiness.
What we should let everybody know, the ESC is blinking red once, then red twice, and then red three times.
I've never seen that
Never seen that before. Also, it doesn't seem to be in the manual either, but it might be.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm gonna get out of your
maybe if you've got an idea of what that means, put a comment down below.
So as it turns out, all that was wrong was the ESC was loaded up with a lot of fine dirt, and it kept the power button from cycling. So we cleaned that out, and off we went for pack number 2.
not broken?
I don't even know how that's possible, but it just fell out of a 4-story building.
Like, it's got good DNA.
So is the Traxxas Slash tough? I think we can all agree that it definitely is. I put it through its paces and pushed myself a little further than I normally would with any of my RCs. And it just kept coming back for more. I could not be happier with the Raptor Slash. My special thanks to Traxxas for sending this my way so I could do this video, and of course to my good friend K-Pop RC for helping me film all these shenanigans. I hope you'll stick around. We have a lot more great content coming, and a lot more challenging style videos like this. Thanks for watching.